you going across to Ireland? Will you take me in your car? And I'm sure you'll find my conversation sound. I can pay my way entirely. I'll enjoy your company. Leave me off at any Tipperary town. Sure, there's Cashel, Tipp and Lorra, old Borris or Clogheen. You can't leave me where I've never been before. In Roscrea, Dundrum or Carrick, in Thurles or Clonmel, or my birthplace by the town of Templemore. Leave me on the road to Nenagh, hear the rippling Shannon call, where the Arra Mountains join the Silvermines. I'd be happy to in Cahir, where the Galtee shadows fall. I'm at home in any Tipperary town. I relive again the memories of times I used to know, when I let the wandering thoughts invade my mind. And the little town of Emly I left so long ago, how I rue the day I left them all behind. Leave me on the road to Nenagh, hear the rippling Shannon call, where the Arra Mountains join the Silvermines. I'd be happy to in Cahir, where the Galtee shadows fall. I'm at home in any Tipperary town. I'm at home